Australians, oh, let us rejoice.
Singing the national anthem at a live sporting event in front of thousands of people is a daunting task for anybody, let alone a 7-year-old. But in Brisbane, little Ethan Hall pulled it off. And this despite battling a case of the hiccups throughout his rendition of Advance Australia Fair.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice. Oh, we fly again free. We've grown in soil and we're forgotten. Our is good I see. In joyful strength and let us sing.
Come the end, the crowd gave Ethan a much-deserved round of applause, while the players encouraged him with plenty of high fives.